We have gathered and analyzed reviews from golfers and product experts across the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the Callaway Golf 300 Pro Laser Rangefinder. If you own this rangefinder, please leave your experience in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The Callaway 300 Pro Laser Rangefinder is widely recognized as a standout in the golf rangefinder market, consistently earning high praise for its blend of accuracy, usability, and value. With a 4.7 out of 5-star rating from over 11,000 verified buyers, it is clear that this device has struck a chord with both amateur and experienced golfers seeking reliable distance measurement without the premium price tag of some competitors. One of the most celebrated features of the Callaway 300 Pro is its precise slope measurement capability. The rangefinder not only measures the straight line distance to the target, but also accounts for elevation changes by calculating the angle of incline or decline, delivering a slope-adjusted distance that is crucial for making informed club selections. This feature is especially valued by golfers who play on courses with varied terrain, as it helps to eliminate guesswork and supports more accurate shot planning. The device boasts a maximum magnification of 6x, providing a clear and detailed view of targets up to 1,000 yards away, with an impressive accuracy of plus or minus 1 yard. Users consistently note that the optics are sharp and the display is easy to read, even in bright sunlight. The rangefinder can measure distances in both yards and meters, catering to a wide range of preferences and international users. Pin acquisition technology, or PAT, is another highlight. This system enables the 300 Pro to lock onto a pin up to 300 yards away, even when background objects such as trees or bushes are present. Once the pin is acquired, the device emits a short vibration, known as pulse confirmation, to let the user know the correct target has been locked. Reviewers appreciate this feedback mechanism as it provides reassurance and helps prevent misreadings, especially on crowded or visually complex greens. The compact and lightweight design of the Callaway 300 Pro is frequently mentioned in user feedback. Weighing just half a pound and measuring only 4 inches in length, it fits comfortably in the hand and is easy to carry throughout a round. Some users with larger hands note that the device feels quite small, but most adapt quickly and come to appreciate the portability. The build quality is described as solid, with a water-resistant IPX4 rating that offers protection against light rain and moisture, making it suitable for most weather conditions encountered on the course. One of the most popular practical features is the integrated magnet, which allows the rangefinder to be securely attached to a golf cart or any magnetic surface. This simple addition streamlines the user experience, ensuring the device is always within reach and reducing the risk of misplacement. Many reviewers state that they would not consider a rangefinder without this feature after experiencing its convenience. The package includes a sturdy carrying case, a lens cloth, a CR2 battery, and a quick start guide. Contrary to some product listings, buyers report that a battery is indeed included, which is a welcome surprise and adds to the overall value. The included case earns high marks for its design, ease of use, and protective qualities, further enhancing the product's appeal. In terms of performance, the Callaway 300 Pro is consistently praised for its quick target acquisition and accuracy. Users report that it zeroes in on pins faster and more reliably than many previous models they have owned, including some from higher-end brands. The numbers in the viewfinder are large and legible, making it easy to confirm readings at a glance. Many golfers find the device to be a significant upgrade from GPS watches and lower-priced rangefinders, citing improved confidence in their club selection and distance judgment. However, no product is without its drawbacks. Some users find it challenging to hold the rangefinder steady enough to lock onto pins at distances greater than 150 yards, especially if their hands are unsteady or if the pin is surrounded by background objects. In these situations, the device may register a reading for a tree or other object behind the pin rather than the flag itself. A few reviewers have addressed this by bracing the rangefinder against the cart or another solid surface, which often resolves the issue. While this is a common challenge with laser rangefinders in general, it is worth noting for those who frequently play on longer courses or have difficulty maintaining a steady hand. Another minor point of contention is the device's small size. While most users appreciate the compactness, a few with larger hands mention an initial adjustment period. Despite this, the ergonomic design and intuitive button placement receive positive feedback overall. Battery life is generally considered excellent, with most users reporting that a single battery lasts for many rounds, often a full season or more. The inclusion of a battery in the package is seen as a bonus, and the device's low power consumption ensures that replacements are infrequent and inexpensive. When compared to other rangefinders in its class, such as the Blue Tees Series 3 and Bushnell models, the Callaway 300 Pro holds its own and often comes out ahead in terms of value, ease of use, and overall satisfaction. While Bushnell remains a premium choice for some, many golfers find that the Callaway offers nearly identical performance at a fraction of the cost. The Blue Tees Series 3, while competitive, is often described as bulkier and less refined, with a less intuitive user interface and a less impressive carrying case. The Callaway 300 Pro is also praised for its versatility. It is suitable for both casual and competitive golfers, with a straightforward interface that makes it accessible to beginners while offering the advanced features that more experienced players demand. The slope measurement can be toggled on or off, ensuring compliance with tournament regulations when necessary. Durability is another area where the 300 Pro earns positive marks. While some users have only recently purchased the device and cannot yet speak to long-term reliability, those who have used it for multiple seasons report that it holds up well to regular use and the occasional bump or drop. The water-resistant construction provides peace of mind during unexpected weather, and the robust carrying case adds an extra layer of protection during transport. The product's aesthetics also receive favorable reviews. The design is sleek and modern, with a choice of colorways depending on the model year received. The overall look and feel of the rangefinder convey quality and attention to detail, which is further reinforced by the positive tactile feedback of the buttons and the satisfying click of the battery compartment. Customer support from Callaway and the manufacturer, Izzo Golf, is generally regarded as responsive and helpful. In the rare event of a defect or issue, users report that warranty claims are handled efficiently, and replacement units are provided promptly when necessary. In summary, the Callaway 300 Pro Laser Rangefinder stands out as a top performer in its category, offering a compelling combination of accuracy, speed, and user-friendly features at a price point that makes it accessible to a wide range of golfers. Its precise slope measurement, strong magnet, clear optics, and reliable pin acquisition make it a favorite among those who value performance and convenience. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of premium models, it delivers where it counts most on the course, helping golfers make better decisions and enjoy their game with greater confidence. If you are in the market for a new golf rangefinder, the Callaway 300 Pro deserves serious consideration. Its widespread popularity and overwhelmingly positive feedback from thousands of users speak to its quality and effectiveness. Whether you are upgrading from an older model, replacing a lost or broken device, or purchasing your first rangefinder, this model offers a balance of features and value that is hard to beat. Remember, if you have experience with the Callaway 300 Pro Laser Rangefinder, please share your review in the comments to help fellow golfers make informed choices. For more information or to purchase, the product link is in the description. Supporting the channel by using the link helps us continue to provide detailed, unbiased product reviews. Thank you for watching and happy golfing.